Fear is gripping the market at 31 out of 100 as we head into the final hour. The question on everyone's minds is simple. Can tech find a bottom before the closing bell rings? Here's what we're watching as Power Hour unfolds. The VIX ticked down slightly to 1664, but don't let that fool you. There's real selling pressure into the close, especially in mega-cap technology stocks that have been getting hammered all session long. Let's break down the damage across the board. The S&P 500 is down 102 points or 1.37% heading into closing minutes. The Dow Jones fell 615 points, dropping 1.8% as industrial weakness weighs. But here's the real story. The Nasdaq is getting absolutely crushed, down 585 points or 2.28%. The Russell 2000 is slightly better off at negative 0.93%, but small caps aren't catching any bids either. Energy is the only bright spot in a sea of red. ExxonMobil surged 2.13%, gaining $3.29 as crude finds support. Chevron followed suit with a 1.49% pop, adding $2.88. Healthcare also showed resilience, with Johnson & Johnson climbing 1.6%. These are defensive trades as investors bolt for safety. But the losses tell the real Power Hour story. Tesla is in absolute freefall, down a staggering 14.11%, or $52.78 into the close. Google is collapsing too, down 6.6% as cash flow concerns mount post-earnings. Amazon is dragging lower at negative 4.33%, while Meta, the social giant, fell 3.32%. Even the artificial intelligence darling NVIDIA couldn't escape selling pressure, down 1.41%. Here's where analyst consensus collides with reality. Bullish bets are still piling up on megacap names like Amazon with 70 buy ratings, Google with 60, and NVIDIA with 64. Yet price action screams the opposite, suggesting a massive disconnect between what Wall Street says and what money is actually doing. This late-day momentum shift is brutal. Microsoft dropped 2.41% even as strategists champion its infrastructure moat. Apple fell 1.65% despite analyst support. The narrative around free cash flow and capex intensity is finally catching up to valuations. Watch Tesla's hold above $320 closely. That breakdown could signal